Hello everyone, this is here at the Geo Metro here. We're in the Metro. I was already done replacing the, what is this? That metal tube that connects to the water pump to the lower hose, as it was so bashed up that it kept leaking. Just so you guys know that the engine's starting to knock. 208,000 miles. Mile after mile, starting to knock louder. We're actually using a used 94 Metro shoved into the engine that's in this. It's not the original engine. It came out of a 94. It was actually worn out before it reached that 200 miles. Before it wasn't sounding like this, but now, in 3 years later, it does. And it's starting to hiss and knock. I don't know if you guys can hear that knock. Coming from the number one cylinder. Will this thing hit the red line? Let's find out. I don't want to rev it to the red line. I just don't want to damage a 94 engine. Pretty much the heater's working. That's luxury. So hope you guys like this video, and bye.